Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. This is the part 2 of the rain test with the Vivitar Skyview video drone. As you all know, I did a rain test and we were going to let it sit for a day or two. So this is about 24 hours later, and let's get it going. Let's see what it does. Hopefully everything is all right. Oh, take off there, but it's just drifting away. Oh my goodness, trying to bring it. Oh no. Anyway, as you can see, it just drifted off. Let's see, let's give it another go. And I'm not gonna do anything, I'm just gonna try it again for a second time and see if it does the same thing. Then I am gonna calibrate it, but let us give it a second try and see what happens. Okay, let's take off. Okay, I wonder what happened the first time, but right now it is kind of stable. As you can see, it looks like a space shuttle right there. Yeah, so let's fly a little bit. It seems to be responding normally to control, and yeah, this is great. Yeah, flying well. So the rain test I did wasn't like really under a thunderous rain. It was just mild rain. Oh no! Ah, Lord! Ah, that's a serious crash right there. Battery came off. Oh no! I hope everything is all right. Oh Lord. Well, the battery has been installed and it looks okay. So let us give it another try. See, this is why I actually prefer the aero view, because it's a little bit more, it is a little bit more nimble, quick to react, as opposed to the Skyview. With the aero view, probably I could have avoided that crash. Okay, it is not turning on. Let me see, let me turn the thing off and turn it back on, and hopefully we can go airborne. So this is your pilot speaking. Don't be scared. We just avoided, or we just had a terrible crash, but hopefully we don't have another one again. Okay, we are airborne, guys. Looking stable. No drifting. Yeah, everything seems thus far to be okay. I'm gonna try to increase the speed and see how it goes. But so far, after flying it in the rain, it still is flying normally. Nothing really has changed. I have not realized any flaws or any changes in how it reacts to its remote control. And be reminded that even the remote control was rain tested, so I didn't cover the remote control on our previous flight under the rain, so everything seems to be in good shape. And guys, also very importantly, I am doing this test so that you don't have to. Don't go flying under the rain. Yeah, well, you can. I've done it, and the drone is still working, but I would not advise anyone to fly under the rain or take your remote control and dip it in your bathtub or something like that. Yeah, I'm doing this just so that you don't have to. So please don't try this at home. And yeah, it is flying really great. Look at that. Look at that. Yep. Oh, lift up. Like I said, guys, don't worry, your pilot is under control. Hopefully we will not have any other crash out here today, and we will fly this thing and land it safely. Okay, so have some juice, relax, and enjoy. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Yeah, look at this. Yeah. So I like I said earlier, I am happy with its performance, and given all that this drone has been through, for those who have been watching my previous videos, you will be quite impressed with this performance right now. It is a fine drone, a great startup drone, and I will recommend it to anyone who looking to getting something which is not very expensive, and also who just wants to fly and enjoy themselves. And the video quality of this drone is not the best. It is 1080p, not 4K yet, and maybe Vivitar will come up with another version that can shoot in 4K. So if you really don't mind 480p, this is a good drone for you. It is a very fine flyer. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's how it's done. That's how it's done, guys. That's how it is done. Bring it down. Watch for it. Take it back up. Yeah. It is very stable, given what happened when we started off today. It drifted off. I wonder what really caused that. Maybe it needed to warm up a little bit. Yeah, but right now it is really flying well. Yeah. The Skyview. Yeah. Nice. Let's bring it closer. Get a closer view from beneath. Oh, it's flashing already, so that tells us the battery is running low. I always keep a close eye on that, guys, because this drone will take off for parts unknown. If you fly for long after it starts flashing, it will just take off on you. So to be on the safe side is always to bring it down, land it when you see it flashing, or when it signals that the battery is low. So this was a return to home that I did, and it came back quite a few feet from where it took off from. So let's lift up a little bit, get maybe another 30 seconds, and then we can call it quit. Yeah, so pretty much it passed the rain test. Happy with its performance today. We'll fly it again, and hopefully it repeats its performance. And yeah, so we are happy with its performance today. I am happy with its performance today. So let's do another return to home there. Let's bring it home. Yep. Came back. All lights are flashing. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment below, like, share, and if there is any other tests or review that you would like on this drone, please comment below. Let me know. I will be happy to get that done for you, and see you all on my next video. Bye bye.